Yeah. So we're going to try tteokbokki, however you say it. And I got it from this Korean place in Atlanta. It's called Pelicana. They have halal chicken and it's really good. They have like the best Korean fried chicken. But this time I was like, you know what? We're going to try something different. And I've tried this before, but like the ones that come like already pre-made. And I was like, let's try it from a real Korean place. So I actually tried it last night, but I'm gonna have my kids try it. And it came with an egg, which is fun. Yummy. So let's see. I told them spice level 2. But that's still really spicy. So next time I'll probably do a 1 because I do like spice. But it's still really spicy for me. So.
Hey guys. Okay, I'm gonna try some tteokbokki.
Try the noodle thing.
It's good.
Like it?
And it has like a little bit of sweetness to it, which I'm not a big fan of, sweetness. Aww. But I mean, it's really good. Look.
Wow.
Woo! Okay, so now it's me, and I'm gonna try it. The main attraction. 3, 2, wait. 3. 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry, get out of the way.
It's different. Wait. Yeah, real different. I don't know, like, I like the spiciness.
You don't know if you like the flavor?
Yeah. It's just like, I rated like a, wait, let me try.
Try the noodle part.
That's what I tried first.
Okay. Not for you.
I rated like a 5. Probably like a.
Okay, Maddox. I'm gonna have to edit a lot of that.
Probably like a 4. A 4. Yeah.
I don't know. I like it. It's good to me. It's real good. Thanks for watching.